number 9 in the coach book, which is on page 214. So if we're taking a look at this, I have to be honest with you, I would make this into a trapezoid and a rectangle. Okay, lift it up. So I would cut it here, because what do we know that we are doing with trapezoids? Turning them into two triangles. So who could tell me what my dotted line would be? What would my dotted line be worth? How much? Call out. 18, because this line here is going to be equivalent to this line here, right? So that tells me the top of my trapezoid here, right? And here's the bottom of my trapezoid at 30 centimeters. Please stop moving. Focus. All right, we've got this whole long thing down here that's 24. This whole long thing down here is 24. What are we going to do with that? We got to split it up, right? So what are we subtracting?
24 minus
15. Because what do we know about this part right here? It's equivalent to
15.
That part up there, that's 15, right?
Yeah.
So this part up here is 15. 24 minus 15 is what?
9.
9. You gotta be loud, right? So 9 centimeters. Okay. So if I'm looking at this, and I'm going to, give me a second, I'm going to join all this together. Okay, if I look at this and I turn my trapezoid like this, do you now see the two tops, the two bases of our triangle?
Yeah.
We have a base of 18 up here. We have a base of 18 up here. And we have a base of 30 down here. And we can split our triangle across like that, our two triangles across like that. And for both of them, we have a height of 9 centimeters, okay? If we look at our rectangle that's left, and I'm going to turn it back around in a minute, but if we look at our rectangle that's left, we have a length of how much?
15 centimeters.
15 centimeters, right? And we have a height or a width of what?
18 centimeters.
18 centimeters. You guys see how just that simple breaking apart and that one thing of finding our length for the height of the triangles was all you had to do for this? Okay, so give it another try. Okay, so if we take a look at this, and I'm going to flip this back around, which means our highlights aren't going to come with us. So I'm going to move them out of the way. Whoa. Whoa, okay. All right, so if we take a look at this, then that means we're turning this into two triangles and doing a dotted line across here, where then we have this triangle here, which is area equals half base times height, and that equals half. Our base is 18 centimeters. Our height is 9 centimeters from right here, okay? And that means we're going to do half of, so then we have a total of 18 times 9 is 162. We have to show that division to divide that in half, and that would give us 81 centimeters squared. That's our area, 81 centimeters squared, and we're dividing, to find that 81, we divided 162 by 2. So the next one that we're going to do is this one right here, and that would be area equals half base times height, because it's a triangle, and our base is 30, and our height is 9 again. So that equals 270 centimeters squared. And then half of 270 centimeters squared is 135 centimeters squared. And then our final step would be exactly to solve for this rectangle here. And we got a length of 18 and a width of, a length of 15 and a width of 18. So area equals length times width, or you could put base times height if that's easier for you. And so then we've got 18 centimeters times 15 centimeters. Somebody do the math for me, please. Okay, so that's 270 centimeters squared. Please stop clicking. Thank you so much. And so what are we going to do with all of these pieces? We have 3 pieces now. We're going to do what with them? Add them all up. So we have 81 plus 270 plus 135. So we said 270 centimeters squared, 135 centimeters squared, and 81 centimeters squared. And if we're adding all those up, 1 plus 5 is?
6.
8 plus 3. I'm sorry, 7 plus 3
10
plus 8.
18.
And then we've got 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 more is 4. So we've got a total of 486 centimeters squared. Okay?